What I've got to do now is make a mould out of this rigid foam. Okay, let's start here. Still a lot more sanding and shaping to go, but that's the idea. I'm just going to fill in this gap here. I've put some contact glue in there. Added this piece in here to get a nice smooth radius there. I think that's going to look better. Now I've started to wrap this in this painter's tape. Okay, here we go. I've got this set up on a stand, just makes it easier. So this epoxy's now gone off overnight. I'm just going to take off all the high spots, anything sticking up. So I'll get started on that. Okay, here we go with the next layer. Okay, so what I've done here is I've done two layers. I put in a patch like that, so front here, and I put one across the back, and then I've glassed over the whole lot again. Okay, here we go with the fourth layer. I realised up until now I've been calling this foam plug a mould. It's actually a plug, to be technically correct. Anyway, I'll start doing this. I won't bore you with the whole thing, but okay, it's the next morning. I've got a whole bunch of sanding to do right now, so I'll get started on that. Alright, here we go again. Next layer. Alright, next morning I gave this an extra coat of epoxy just to get a nice finish I can sand into. I'll get this sanded off and then we'll pull the foam out and see how we go. So it's all sanded down now. It's come out pretty damn nice. Anyway, it's time now to pull out the plug. Now this is going to be entertainment. How good is that? Hey? Brilliant. Yeah, so this has come out even better than I expected. It won't take much finishing at all to do. Beautiful.